In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI on Windows in 2026. If you want to use Grok on your Windows PC, you can access it directly through a supported web browser, depending on the current availability and platform options. First, turn on your Windows computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Grok AI service. Once the page loads, sign in to your Grok account using the available login method. After signing in, you should see the Grok interface. From here, you can start a new conversation and enter your questions or instructions in the chat box. One of the easiest ways to use Grok on Windows is for everyday questions and research. Type your question, send it, and review the response. You can also use Grok for writing. For example, you can ask it to create an outline, rewrite text, improve grammar, generate ideas, or help you organize information. If supported file upload features are available on your account, you may also be able to upload compatible files directly from your Windows computer. Select the attachment option, choose your file, and then tell Grok what you want it to do with the uploaded content. Windows also makes it easy to work with Grok alongside other applications. You can keep Grok open in one browser window while working in another application, such as a document editor, spreadsheet, or browser tab. For better results, give Grok clear instructions. Include the context, desired format, tone, and any important requirements in your prompt. If Grok is slow or not responding correctly, first check your internet connection. Then refresh the page, restart your browser, or try another supported browser. You can also check whether the issue is related to Grok itself by looking for current service or availability information. Remember that the Grok interface and available features can change over time. Some features may also depend on your account, region, subscription, or the current version of the service. When using Grok on Windows for important work, always review AI-generated information before relying on it. And that's how you can use Grok AI on Windows